שלום, סטודנטים וסטודנטיות לעברית, מה שלומכם? Today we are going to learn a couple more letters found in the phrase נעים מאוד, which is a very nice phrase which we say when we meet someone. It's like pleased to meet you. So to break it up, נעים is pleasant or nice. We know it from שבט אחים, הנה מה טוב ומה נעים, שבט אחים גם יחד, hear how nice and pleasant is to be together. So נעים, that's the נעים. מאוד is simply very, כן? נעים מאוד, very nice, כן? כמו טוב מאוד, very good. So נעים מאוד. And we only have two new letters, the Ein and the Dalet, so we'll go over them. Let's just see this phrase in context and try to read together. So, Nun here, Na, Im, Me, Aleph, Od, and Dalet, D. So they're shaking hands, they're introducing themselves, she's saying, Na'im Me'od, and he answers, Na'im Me'od, Gam, remember, also, as well, or to, okay, Gam, Li, to me, Le'ani, Li. Then as Na'im Me'od Gam Li. So it's also pleasant for me, something of the sort. But you can also just say Na'im Me'od and answer Na'im Me'od. Don't have to add. Okay, so without further ado, let's go to a first letter, and this is the nice letter, Ayin. Ayin. This is how you would find it in the print. The script is a little bit different and reminds us of the shape of an eye. And how do you say an eye in Hebrew? Ayin, ayin. So again, the shape reminds us of the letter. Let's see again. So starting from the right, and this kind of like knot or sot. And that's our Ayin. Now, how do you pronounce the Ayin? You hear that I am pronouncing it like an Aleph that comes from deeper in the throat. Ayin, like a hard Aleph. But I have to say, in everyday Hebrew, the Ayin will sound basically like the Aleph. So people would say Ayin, Ayin instead of Ayin. But in class, I am always trying to pronounce it correctly, so you hear the difference in the word. But that is our Ayin, another consonant that we don't have in English, and it's sometimes difficult. Okay, Ayin. And let's go to our next letter, and this is the Dalet, Da, like a D, very easy. This is the print, so it's just like a kind of like again maybe a door. It reminds a little bit of the shape of a door, and the door in Hebrew is delet, delet. Okay, the script is a little different. It goes like this. Yeah. So it's kind of, again, a little bit like a knot, but in a different way. Maybe remind us a little bit of the shape of the number 3, but that's the Dalet. Yeah, let's see it again. See how you write the script. Try to write it in your notebook. Yeah, so the Dalet, Da, De, and both of these letters are fairly simple, no complication, no final letters, just Ayin, like an Ayin, and Dalet, like a Dalet. Okay, so we can read a little dialogue, and let's follow the words in red. Okay, so Sha, שלום. שמי, my name. מירי, מירי. Remember the resh? Oh, מירי, מירי. Okay. So, hello, my name is מירי. מה שמך? What is your name? Okay. He answers, שמי עמית. עמית. And עין, מם, with a yud, mi, amit. Amit. A nice name in Hebrew, both for women and for men. It means a friend or a colleague or a comrade. Okay, so shalom, shmi Miri, ma shimcha, shmi Amit. Okay, and she says, na'im me'od, na'im me'od. Okay, and he answered, as we've seen, na'im me'od, gam li. Okay. All right. And last but not least, let's try to write נעים מאוד. Okay. Let's take a little pen here and we'll start with the noon. And in noon, you remember, it's just like a sito sot. Okay. So noon, triangle, open triangle. Okay. And so this is the noon na. And let's do the I. Start it here. Do the little I-shaped bubble and finish here, okay? Na'i, little yud, and you remember the names of it goes like this, and a little circle and a handle, and na'im, and then the mem, the regular mem is looked like a capital N, yeah, and then the aleph, a semicircle, and a vertical line, מאוד. We want a vav here, and then going to the daled, somewhat like writing the number 3, but not exactly. So something like this. Okay, נעים מאוד, נעים מאוד. מצוין. אוקיי, שלום ולהתראות.